What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you showed up to this video because you're trying to figure out how you can make at least, at minimum, at your lowest, $500 per hour, what I need you to do is I need you to like the video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel so you know every time I give you more tips and tricks and methods to make money online. Now, before we get into the video, what I also have to tell you is that for these methods to work, you're going to need to have a PayPal account. It is absolutely mandatory. There's no way you can get around it. If you don't know what PayPal is, it's like a separate online banking system that's connected to your actual bank account. It just makes the process of receiving money easier rather than having to upload your information on all of these apps or any website that I ever teach you. Rather than having to upload your information like your bank account number or your routing information and then, having to get that approved maybe or flagged by your bank because it doesn't know exactly, how or where this money is coming from. I know some of us have had that problem in the past. If you just connect all of these things to your PayPal account, you're not going to have any issues with you. You're going to receive your money, the exact right way. It's not going to flag you or anything. And you can withdraw it whenever you want to. If there's no fee when it comes to that, or like no latency. You can just take out the money from the PayPal and put it right into your bank account. It's that easy. Now that we got that out the way, let's get into this video. So the first app we're going to look at today is Buzzbreak. Now, this is a news app, but the caveat to it is most of us, we wake up in the morning and the first thing we do is we grab our phone. It's like a reflex at this point. Everyone in the world does it. We grab our phone and we go to Twitter or Instagram or your favorite news app or whatever. It doesn't matter what it is, but it's the first thing in your hand as soon as you roll over out of bed, right? And you're scrolling, you're trying to figure out what you missed while you were asleep, or maybe you worked a late night and you didn't catch up on the news, or you needed to, find something or see what the weather is. Anyway, you do that, and you're in the bed for at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And then all of a sudden you got to get up, you got to rush. You're like, oh my goodness, I just wasted my whole morning, my first hour of my morning because I was on my phone doing nothing, right? Not really doing anything. Now this app is a solution to that. Now, what if you could wake up in the morning, grab your phone and catch up on the news, but get paid for it at the same time, right? Now that's money right there. That's what we all need, because it's taking something we already do and it's monetizing it, right? What you want to make your habits make you money, right? We don't want to just do anything just because we do it. We need to have a reason behind this kind of stuff. And if you're waking up every morning, grabbing your phone, checking the news, how about you read news that's actually going to get you money? Now, this is the app to do that. You can go to the Google Play Store. You can go to the App Store. It's 100% free. It's not going to charge you anything. And it's called Buzzbreak. And you read the news and you earn free cash. And you can get all of this cash directly to your PayPal account. Now, some of the money they send you is in digital coins, right? But you can convert that into real money. You can convert that into real money, and you can convert that right into your bank account. Now, it doesn't have to be, boring, regular news. Like whatever news you're into is the news you're going to get paid to read. So you're not even mindlessly scrolling and reading things you don't care about. You can read the politics, you can read entertainment, celebrity news, culture, tech. You can read all of these things and still get paid for it. Every time you open the app, every time you scroll, you open an article, boom, they send you money. It's like clockwork, all right? So Buzzbreak, if you have an Android or Apple device, please just go to the Google Play Store. It has great reviews. People, and you know how people are in those review comments, they don't hold anything back. Like they will tell you when your app is terrible. And there are none of those comments on this app. So I would highly suggest it. This is a great app to have if you're trying to earn some extra money in your pocket just by waking up in the morning. The next app I'm going to show you is called MNFST. Now, this is the cheat code for all the people you follow on Instagram who are like Instagram influencers, and they get stuff sent to them and they're getting this amount of money per post and blah, 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 right? You're sitting at your house like, yo, how do I get 10,000, 100,000, 1 million followers on Instagram so I can start making money like this? Well, this is the workaround for that, all right? MNFST is a company that takes your Instagram account and monetizes it for you, right? You're an instant influencer as soon as you download the app and put in your PayPal information. Again, you need a PayPal account for these things, all right? Now, they're on a mission to democratize the influencer market. And basically, they're trying to level the playing field. They don't think that it's fair for, only certain people with a certain amount of followers should be able to make money off of their account. Because one, everyone has a social media and everyone has something to post. Everyone has something to say, right? And they shouldn't only be the ones to get the branded content. With this, what they do is every time you upload a photo or every time you upload a video on your Instagram account, they pay you for it. Yeah, it's that easy. It's that simple, right? All you have to do is download the app, and when you post or you tweet or you do whatever you do on social media, they're gonna just send you money for that because they're gonna brand it for you. They're gonna, monetize it for you, and you can just do what you do all the time. Now, I know some of you aren't really into, posting your face all the time or personal videos and things like that, but it doesn't have to be just you. You can have your animal, your cousin, the building that you work at, the food you're eating, right? You can post whatever. You can post what you usually post on Instagram. Like, you don't have to, get dressed up and put on a wonderful outfit or, catch the sun the right way. Like, no, just post. Just make it easy. This is leveling the playing field for all of us. I know we all get sick and tired of just looking at these influencers and being like, how the heck do you do this? And this is the way we can do this too. And then who knows, after you keep using this, these brands might follow you, and then you might start getting a little bit more followers to your actual account. And then, hey, maybe one of these days, if you keep at it, you can actually be one of those, 10K, 50K followers on Instagram type people or Twitter, right? And you can, again, go to the App Store, go to the Google Play Store. You can scroll, and this tells you exactly how it happens. You just make a photo or video, you post the video, you get paid. Like, they make it super easy for you. You withdraw it whenever you want. And also the beautiful thing is that if you're not hurting for money, you can even take the money that you're earning through the app and you could put it to a good cause, right? So they're not just here to line your pockets. They're actually trying to make a difference in the world. And this is something that you can really get behind and really get motivated for. So, you can donate the money you get and use the other app that I told you about in order to make your personal money, if you're a charitable person that way. But yeah, they have options for you. And these, obviously, we know that these people are fake, but yeah, they do have real people because if you go to the App Store, again, they tell you, they have the reviews. Like, the people in the comment reviews on apps, they don't hold back whatsoever. If you don't know how much money your profile could actually make, if you think that it's going to be, if you think it's going to be a little bit less than what you were hoping to, you can actually just put your number in right here and it'll go to your social media account for you, and it'll send you back what your profit could potentially be. Right. Again, you don't need 1 million followers. You can have a couple hundred followers and still get money. Like, you still have some kind of stock in this program. But don't hold back. Again, listen, this is the Google Play reviews, and this is what they're saying about it. Highly recommended, the best app. I love this app. Go to the Play Store. These are going to be there, and you're not going to find any bad reviews on it. I'm going to tell you that right now. Like, no one's mad at making money at all. All right. Now, all you got to do is get your PayPal account, and then you'll be set. They got press that basically told them, hey, these people are doing amazing work. You should check them out, right? Go read some of the press reviews. They got all your questions at the bottom. They've really thought about everything because they know it sounds crazy, but it's not. It's really not. It's a really good way to make money. I think you should definitely give this a shot if you're into it. Now, this is the last app, and the app that is probably going to make you the most money out of all of these. Now, this is called Daily Raffle. Now, the people who you see in the store, and every day they get the lotto tickets. Every day they say, let me play the numbers. You never know, and you really don't. You do never know. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but there's a much smarter way to go about this, right? You could download this app, and it's actually like playing the lottery, but with no front cost. Like, you have to pay in order to get those tickets from the store. This app is free, and you can just play your numbers, and you can also just enter your name. It's a raffle. Everyone's have been in a raffle before, and they have prizes every single day. So all you have to do is enter your name or give the numbers to whatever prize they have that day, to all of them. You're bound to win. Most of the prizes they have are money. So think about it. If you are a lucky person, or you want to try your luck, or you just never know, you could just aimlessly do this every day. Add your name to a raffle or put some numbers down for the raffle, and then not even think about it. And then one day you get an email saying, hey, you just won this raffle that you didn't even remember that you entered in, and now you have $100. Now you have up to $1,000, right? And you can get this right from the App Store. All right. This is a About Us page. This is just telling you that, hey, this is a real website. All you have to do is go to dailyraffleapp.com. You can look all this stuff up yourself. You don't need to listen to me for this. All right. And it's not like any other game. You know, you have a chance to win every single day, and you can win a lot of money, right? Now, look, this is what it looks like. So, you know, when you go to the App Store, you know the screenshots to find. All right. And all you have to do is go here, put your numbers in, put your name in, and you could be winning. If you win more than one per day, that's still bread. That's still money, right? Now, if you want to double up on all of these opportunities, if you want to make the most money you possibly can, I'd say sign up for all of them. You wake up in the morning every day, so you can go over to BuzzBreak, right? And you can make money doing that. You have a social media account, because everyone has a social media account. Why not monetize your social media? Why would you do that for free? That makes no sense. Monetize your social media account, because that's what you do every day as well. And just for shits and giggles, like, hey, how about we just enter a couple numbers over here, maybe enter my name, and then forget about it. Act like it never happened, because that's how you're going to make money. Now, I understand that, yes, we can all make money this way, but there's such a better way to go about this if you're really interested in it. So there's a link in my bio that tells you and describes to you in detail the number one way I actually think you should be making money online. And this way is going to give you a long-term return on your business. Now, I'm talking business. These are side hustles. These are just tips and tricks to make a little extra cash on the side. But it's not going to get you rich. It's not going to buy you a mansion. You're not going to retire or quit your job off of doing this. What you are going to be able to do, if you click the link in my bio, is you're going to be able to make a real online business and generate real income that over time will have you retire, have you quit your 9-to-5 job, make you more comfortable, and give you the freedom that you really, really want in this life. Now, if you're just kind of sort of trying to make a little extra cash here and there and you're cool, that's fine. Like, it's only for really motivated people, really entrepreneur minded folks, right? And if you're one of those people, then you need to click the link in my bio, and you need to learn how to actually have an online business that generates you income while you sleep. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Click the link in my bio if you're serious about making money online. My name is Make Money Malik. Peace.